Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this guide, I will show you how to install Visual Studio Code on Windows 11 step by step. So let's get started without wasting our time. First of all, open your web browser and search for Visual Studio Code. From the search results, open the official website. This is the official VS Code website. Click on the button that says Download for Windows. A new page will open, and the setup file will start downloading. Wait for the download to finish. I have already downloaded, so I will right-click and open that. Accept the agreement and continue through the setup screens. Keep the default installation location. VS Code takes around 500 megabytes of disk space. Click Next. You can choose to create a desktop shortcut if you want. Leave all other settings as they are and continue. Start the installation and wait for it to finish. Once the setup is complete, close the installer. Now, open Visual Studio Code. Your Visual Studio is installed successfully. Now, if you want to install and set up Python, Java, or HTML on it, you can watch these videos on my channel. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe to FixSoft for more beginner-friendly tutorials. Thanks for watching.